Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. This is Sang here, and today is our day 3 of our Tawang trip. Well guys, right now we are in Tawang and today is the first day here in Tawang. So we are planning to cover all the nearby sightseeing places. And also one more thing guys, we have hired a local cab today because because the routes here in Tawang can be complicated, so we did not want to take our own vehicle and get confused midway, and we did not want to waste time. Since we have only 2 days in Tawang, we wanted to make full use of it. So today we'll be covering all the nearby places, and in meantime we are also submitting our documents to get the passes for Bamla Pass and your Madhuri Lake ready. Not sure if for Madhuri Lake we need a pass, but for Bamla Pass we do need a pass. So we have submitted our documentation for that, so it might need some time. So hopefully by evening the passes are ready so that tomorrow we can visit those sites. But for today we just have the local sites. I've heard there are quite a few, so I think it's going to be entire day trip, entire day itinerary. So yeah, I mean pretty excited, and let's go. So we have started with our trip. The first place that we are going to is the Hanging Bridge, which is in a village called Chaksang. Hopefully I'm pronouncing it right. So we have everyone here in the car, and say hi everyone.
Hello.
And आपका नाम क्या है भैया?
Nupsang.
Nupsang. So we have Mr. Nupsang with us. He's the one who will be guiding us and showing us around. So yeah guys, super excited, and let's go. Hey guys, what's up? So there was a change of plan actually. Before the bridge, actually we have come to a monastery called as Kingmay Monastery. Not really sure of the name though, but I think it's called Kingmay. So we have come to this monastery. We will be going inside and checking the place out. And also guys, I mean you must be seeing that it's very foggy. So unfortunately the view is not gonna be that clear. But yeah, but it's a fantastic weather. We are really having a good time here. So yeah, let's go explore the monastery.
Close your eyes, get out of your skin. Only this matters.
और ये हमारा ये गुम्बद जो बहुत पुराना 600 साल से भी पुराना है।
अच्छा 600 साल पुराना
जी।
है। ओह अच्छा, ठीक है।
जो हमारा ये ठिकते रूम से यहाँ का जो फाउंडेशन क्या हो जो ठिकते रूम से बोलते हैं।
अच्छा
अब ये जो ऊपर मेडिसिन करके बैठा है।
अच्छा। और बहुत सारे टूरिस्ट आते हैं यहाँ
जी
पर?
हाँ,
अच्छा।
बहुत सारे टूरिस्ट आते हैं।
और आप लोग सब यहीं पे रहते हो?
जी हाँ, यहीं पे रहते हैं।
ओके, ताशी जी थैंक यू सो मच मोनास्ट्री के बारे में बताने के लिए।
So close your eyes. Do you feel the same? Only thing that matters without change. I will let you into my mind's deep. Cover the fallen tears that have been long asleep. The lights are out.
So here we are for our next destination. It's raining a bit, so I'm holding an umbrella. Well, there's a way leading to a beautiful river. So we'll be heading towards that. The river is down there. I'm not sure if you can see, but we will be walking towards that place, and let's see. I think the walk is going to be pretty interesting because we are at a little higher level, and the water seems to be, the river seems to be down there. So yeah, it's going to be pretty nice walk. So yeah, let's start walking towards the river now. So guys, Lopsang, the guy who is driving us and showing us around, he's the one leading the way. We are walking towards the river now. The path is pretty well laid actually, so it's not an issue. They have built good stairs. So yeah, we are just walking downstairs, and let's see. I mean, I can hear the sound of the river. So yeah, I think it's pretty strong. The current is pretty strong. So guys, right now we are walking towards the waterfall, and I can see there is a hanging bridge as well. How exciting. I think I've seen one of such kind of I've seen such bridges back in Bhutan a year back. So yeah, it looks of the same type. But yeah guys, I mean such nice river. Not sure if you can go into the water, but let's see. Woo. And also, guys, the mountains, they look beautiful. You know, it's all foggy up there and it's all green. So yeah, amazing.
Close your eyes, get out of your skin. All it is matters, let it in. If I could, I would be right here with you.
Hey guys, so we are almost there. You can see the river there. So guys, the river is quite forceful and it's a fantastic view up here. And also, if you see, there is a hanging bridge behind. So we will be walking towards the hanging bridge now. It's a fantastic walk. The paths are well laid, so it's not an issue. It's just that it's drizzling a bit, so I'm having to carry an umbrella. Otherwise, all good, fantastic weather.
These are humming in between the contrasts of our souls. Oh, oh, oh,
So we're done with our trip to this bridge, and now we are heading back to our car. So the next destination, I'm not really sure, I'll have to ask, but otherwise, yeah, it was a fantastic view. We did get some good clips and photos in the place. So we are heading back now, and yeah, see you guys soon. We are done with our bridge, the trip to the hanging bridge. Now we are moving back. Actually, we are heading towards Tawang again, because the rest of the sightseeing places are in Tawang. There are a couple of you on the way, so we will be covering that as well. It was a fantastic way down to the bridge, and we really enjoyed the walk. And also the light drizzle made the made the entire experience so worth it. Now, yeah, and also, guys, about the river, the current's pretty high, so you can't get into the river, you can't get into the water. But otherwise, it was a fantastic. It was a fantastic experience. Nothing like it. So we are heading back now towards Tawang, and we'll show you rest of the places. Hey guys, so finally we have come down to this restaurant for lunch. It's a nice cozy restaurant. The name of the restaurant is, just give me a second.
It's Mon Valley.
The name of the restaurant is Mon Valley. I'll show you the menu in a while, and yeah, the place looks nice and cozy. It's still raining, so I have got myself a raincoat. Hopefully now the vlogging will become a lot more smoother. Hey guys, so finally the food is served, and you can see we have ordered so much tukpas and momos. So yeah, I mean, we can't wait to dig into it, and yeah, it looks very delicious. So guys, let's start. So Parth, how you liking the food?
It's so good.
So good?
Yeah.
Tenzin, did you like the food?
Yeah, I did. I just hope that momos this covered a little thick, but yeah, not bad. It's decent.
Everyone enjoying, right? और लोकसन भाई को भी अच्छा लग रहा है.
Yeah.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back, and now we have come to Tawang Monastery. For your information, guys, Tawang Monastery is Asia's second largest monastery after the Potala Palace, and here we are in the monastery. It's looking beautiful. If you can see behind me, it has a beautiful view. So what we're going to do is we'll go and explore the place a bit. It's drizzling a little, but we'll manage.
Close your eyes, get out of your skin. All it is matters, let it in. If I could, I would be right here with you. In this world of ticking clocks, I hope I'm getting through.
So we are done with our visit to the monastery. Now we are moving ahead. I've heard there's a pretty coffee house nearby, so we'll just go grab a coffee and then probably move ahead for our next destination. So we have come to this very pretty cafe called Dharma Coffee House, I think. But yeah, I mean, it's surprising that we have found something so nice and pretty and cozy here in Tawang. So yeah, I mean, this is the coffee shop. You can see behind me how nicely it's arranged, and it's really a cool place to hang out. So yeah, I mean, if you happen to visit Tawang, then you can also try out this coffee shop. So this is the last stop for the day. We have come to Buddha statue here in Tawang, and you can see the statue right behind me. Hopefully it's totally visible. Well, I'll try to show you around, and hopefully we can also go inside. I'm not sure if filming is allowed, but let's see. Hey guys, so we are done with the final site today, and now we are heading back to the hotel. And also, I mean, weather-wise it wasn't the best, so probably we couldn't capture the best essence of the place as such, because there was of course lack of visibility. But otherwise it was fantastic time that we had spent. We had also had some good time in the coffee house as well. So now we are heading back to the hotel. Probably evening we'll just rest, and tomorrow we will have a long day to look forward to. So that was it for today. I'm closing off the vlog now, and see you guys tomorrow.
Close your eyes, get out of your skin. All it is matters.
So before I explain, I want to inform that I don't have good knowledge of this, but I know a little bit about it, so I'll explain it to you. So I think this is it's like a mandala, a complex depiction of what we understand as a universe, right? So it explains the the wheel of life, or the cycles of life. So if you look at the pictures here, this mostly represents the hell. If you see take a closer look at the images at the mural, you can see how different kinds of punishments that you get in hell, right? And if you go up in this image, at the top you will see the heaven where the gods and the goddesses, right? And us human, you can see here, right? Then you have the animals, right? Then there's something called Ida. I don't know how to explain that in English. And the last one is the hell. Okay. So what we believe is like, until you attain Buddhahood or enlightened, you will be always be reborn in could be any of these cycle based on your karma and your deeds. Okay. Right. So that's a very brief understanding that I have.
Alright.
But yeah, I hope it helps.
Okay, yeah. Thank you so much, Tenzin, for shedding some light into this. Now, guys, you can see how nicely, how beautifully they have represented, as Tenzin explained, every stages and every part of the cycle. We see here, if I zoom in, you can see all these things. Nice.
These are mostly protectors, what he was talking about, right? Protectors are not like, they are like God, but they are only for some specific purposes. Like this one.